What's up, guys? It's Brandon Flash. Today is delivery day. Take two of my new Model Y replacement. So as I mentioned, today is delivery day. We're in my old car, the 2023 Tesla Model Y all-wheel drive 4680 battery pack that I have put 36, almost 37,000 miles on in about 18 months. Let me show you guys the stats. So just traded it in. Here we go. There's all the stats. 36,834 miles, 296 watt hour per mile average over that chart or that time. Obviously remove some of the driver profiles since I no longer have app access. I just need to make sure I got everything out of it before I hand over the keys to Tesla. And before I show you guys the new car, what an adventure it has been getting this car. So I ordered this new car that I'll show you shortly, December 13th. It's now December 26th, so the day after Christmas. I was originally scheduled for delivery this past Sunday. Decided to move that, hoping some more referrals would take delivery so I would have more Tesla credits. So thank you guys for making this possible. You guys helped me get out of this car by using my referral code and helping me rack up over $10,000 in Tesla referral credits. So that was what made this all possible. Otherwise, the numbers simply didn't work for this upgrade to happen. So if you need a new Tesla, my referral code is down below. Would really appreciate if you guys continue to use that. It really helps out the channel. Can't thank you guys enough. So I ordered this December 13th, long range, rear wheel drive. We'll get to that in a minute, the full spec. And then I decided to just go into the service center to then push off my appointment another few days to the Christmas Eve, December 23rd or 24th. And when I went into the service center, I actually found an inventory car. So we'll get to that shortly. But what has been the real drama here is that Tesla recently made it possible to use Tesla Shop gift cards for the down payment of a new Tesla. You can also use it for supercharging, anything on the shop, service credits, whatever. But historically, Tesla has not allowed you to use a credit card for the down payment on a car. Reasonably so. However, I have a 0% card. I was going to use this anyway, and then I can get some points. So I figured, why not? Why would I use money from my bank account rather when I can make the money work for me? So I decided to buy some gift cards for the difference between the referral credits and how much I needed to put down to cover the negative equity on my new car. And as crazy as it sounds, they are not instant issue. So I bought the gift cards the morning of Christmas Eve, so December 24th, thinking that it might take a little bit of time to issue them. I was also hoping that Tesla would be able to reduce the down payment a bit, but they weren't, so that's fine. So I had to have some cash to cover that. And yeah, they were not issued until today, December 26th, which is crazy. You would think that a gift card would be instant-ish issue, so like within a few minutes or a few hours at least. But no, they took over 50 hours to issue. So here we are, finally made it happen. It all worked out. So you can, in fact, buy Tesla Shop gift cards with a credit card or whatever, and then use them towards the down payment of a car. You can only buy $500 max gift cards, and you can only buy up to $2,000 worth per order. So I had to actually do 2 orders to make it happen, but it's very doable. I wouldn't recommend doing it because you have to. I would recommend doing it if you have the cash on hand or if you're getting outside financing and they can just pay you back. It's a great way to get some points if you're going to be spending the money anyway, or for a sign-up bonus or something. So there's definitely some pros to doing it that way, but not for everyone. And this car is finally going back. So I'm not going to go over all the numbers in this video. I just want to tell you guys about the new car. Comment down below if you want to know how all the numbers worked out. I can certainly make a video going over all of that. It is quite something. So without further ado, let me just give you a quick walk around of the car I'm trading in quick before the sun goes down, and then I'll bring you over to the new car. So if you've been watching the channel for a while, you know that this is the standard range or base Model Y all-wheel drive 4680 battery pack. Deep blue metallic exterior with the Gemini wheels. It's all the way back to stock other than the tint. And it's no longer Steck Dyno Prism. It's served me well, almost 40,000 miles in 18 months. It has hardware 4. really, I don't have any complaints about the car itself. Just the charging and the range were the main things that were a major drag on this car, especially the charging. But let's walk over to the new car. We're at Tesla Charlotte. They are cranking out cars here left and right. And we're heading over to the new car. Comment down below what you think the spec of the new car is before I show you guys. You've got every spec imaginable here, basically. And then we're coming over to the new car. So this is my Stealth Gray with Gemini wheels, the dark Gemini wheels, long range rear wheel drive Model Y. And you might wonder, why did I upgrade? Well, charging and range, and this car is the range monster of the Model Y lineup. And you're probably also wondering why I'm getting a Model Y now when the new Model Y is coming out any day now, basically. And it's because I made a deal with my fiance. So I'm trading in the Model Y that I currently have for this one to kind of cash in on the trade value while it's still reasonable before it completely tanks when the new one comes out. And she is actually going to be getting this Model Y, and I'm going to be driving her 2007 Toyota Highlander for a bit. I'll be able to drive this kind of as I wish, as needed for charging and content and such, so you'll definitely be seeing some stuff from this car. But I think this is going to be a great car for comparisons and just kind of a long-term update. She doesn't really drive a whole lot, so basically all the miles that will be driven on this car will be for content. We'll probably do a road trip or two before the Juniper comes. And I'm really curious to see what the Juniper holds, and I think that will be my next car, basically as soon as I can get my hands on one. So let me show you guys this car. And here we'll go into spec. I do not need 3 bacon. It is roasting in here. So as I said, this is a Model Y long range. And this one, as you can see, has about 655 miles on it. I'm very happy, nerd detail. The Trip B was still from the factory, so I was very happy about that. I was able to rename it, and I can have my Trip B as basically the entire lifetime of the car, which is very satisfying to me. But we'll also see how these go over time. I'm gonna reset my Trip A. They did charge it to 56%. I was really happy the other day when we came to try to take delivery that it was at 17%, but because normal people don't like taking delivery at 17%, they did charge it. And because of the 655 miles or so, I was actually able to get this car with almost a $3,700 discount. They also gave a free tow hitch. So instead of paying for the tow hitch, they gave $1,000 off. I also got the $1,000 off for the referral. And then also, or sorry, not referral in this case, loyalty benefits, since I already have a Tesla. And then I was able to use the referral credits from all of you guys buying cars using my link, which please continue doing so. So that helped out a ton as well. So before the sunlight goes out, this is the new car. Would love to hear what you guys think. Comment down below, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys on the next one.